Hi, I'm Mark Adams, the Deputy Health Commissioner for Lorain County Public Health. You might be asking yourself why there's no mask mandate in Ohio. Right now, the law has kind of changed. So before, last year, the governor was able to just come out and say, we're having a mask mandate with a health order. Now it's a little bit different. The legislature has to be involved with that. So the other thing would be is also the data that's driven around when it came to masks or protective factors. So the CDC has come out with recommendations for masking, and that is absolutely one of the best ways if you're an unvaccinated person and protecting yourself, especially when public or in large groups. You might want to take that precaution in masking. But at this time, in the state of Ohio, it's still a choice that you can make. Delta variant, so you probably heard about that in the news. Delta variant is a strain that is much more contagious, 10 times more than regular COVID that people were experiencing last year. But that hospitalizations aren't up as much before, but still, an unvaccinated person can have a worse health outcome by getting Delta than if they were vaccinated. Two things unvaccinated people should do in the community. One would be, again, if you want to protect yourself, you can get a shot. I mean, that's what we recommend, safe vaccines. The other would be is if you're going to choose not to get the vaccine, would be to look at your activity. You want a mask? If you want to be out if you're very social and you're going to be out in social circles, you might want to take some of those precautions. And if you want to go with distancing and some masking, let's say that you have family members that cannot get vaccinated. So adults that maybe have a health condition they couldn't take the vaccine, or children that are under 12 years old. The best way, the clear way of making sure that you're protecting them is to be vaccinated yourself. Recently, the CDC published a color code chart for states throughout the U.S., kind of detailing risk or maybe the spread. Well, really just kind of look at that as a lighthouse. It shows you that there might be danger if you keep going towards it, but really the way to steer clear of it. But let's not forget about it. There is still a danger out there. We still need to continue to get vaccinated and to protect each other as a community.